Gonna show you something new with Acer Chromebook 514. This is a new box launching at 2 days ago. So Intel Pentium quad core 2.1 gigahertz is processor. This is a nice processor with 4 GB and 8 GB. Laptop, two different laptop RAMs using DDR3. This is nice of RAM and performance very good. And we talk about its Intel HD graphics 505. This is nice graphics and the best 3D benchmarking. This graphic, this is for high performance able graphics from metallic and plastic keyboard casing with Dolby speakers. Two speaker by keyboards left and right sides. So two USB ports 3.0 and two type C port, micro SD slot and 3.5 headphone jack. And its iconic design by nice color of gray, and Acer can choose nice by laptop. This is OLED display and nice of touchpad, battery up to 12 volt, not yet its watt, and so it's not mentioned in his website. So we can high of 12 or high of charging time. So nice this laptop, and we know that its sleekness design and fully slimmest with 5.9 mm for LED and storage 32 and 64 with 4 GB, 32 and 64 with 8 GB. And OLED display, HDR and 4K videos are supported. Resolution good lesson and 509 pixel rate dpi. Price is 8 GB, $320 and 4 GB, $240. This is mid-range laptop camera, 2 megapixel HDR resulting and capture the real movement with some of high update features. That camera performance must be better. So like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching in this video. बस इतना ही. So we'll meet this next video.